Komachielo bende ni jagoro mongirore migao mar arita laktar Omollo owacho ni dwaro nitie mar tiego obila ewi kaka ginyalo rakore kod jonganyo ma ogitiyo kod teko mathoth kuom jonganyo, ka okwayo jonganyo mondo mi bende ong'e ting' margi e kinde ma bende ginganyo mondo mi kik gimuoch tulo moramora manyalo miyo obila oti kod teko mathoth kuomgi. Laktar Omollo ne oloso e yo machalo kamae.
This dialogue is one of the many complementary efforts we are progressively investing in to reform our policing systems, and UNDP has always been and remains a reliable partner in several initiatives. The theme of this dialogue, supporting accountable, effective and people-centered policy in Kenya, could not be more timely. It reflects not only on our national aspirations, but also on our constitutional obligations, which expects or dictates to us that we must uphold a police service that serves, protects, and works in partnership with the people of this country. Recent events, particularly the violent demonstrations that have laid bare the complex relationship between law enforcement and citizens, especially the youth, among the uncompromisable threshold of the right to peaceful assembly and the civil liberties guaranteed by our Constitution. Equally incontestable is that the role of the police in maintaining public order must be exercised with utmost professionalism, restraint, and...
Komachielo eni